Okay, so in this question, we have to find the kth largest element in an array. Okay, so this is the medium type question where we have integer array nums and an integer k return the kth largest element in that particular array. So note that if the kth largest element is the sorted array, not the kth distinct element. सो हम सॉर्टिंग से क्यों नहीं कर सकते, ये क्वेश्चन में राइज होता है. इफ वी जस्ट यूज सॉर्टिंग हियर, सो द टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी विल बी द ऑर्डर ऑफ n log n, much complex. Like in the example one, as you can see that these are the elements, and if you have to find the k equals to 2, the second largest element will be the 5. Similarly, in this case, we have these things where you have 1 2 3 4 5 and number till 6 you have, and you have to find the k equals to 4. The fourth largest element here is the 4. In this constraint we have like this. So in this question we will use min heap. Why I'm saying min heap? Because we have to find the largest element, and if we get the word largest or the bigger one or something maximum, in that cases we supposed to use the min heap. So firstly, we'll declare a min heap, and we just assign that in the min heap we can able to add only k element, because in the case of min heap, what happens? The minimum elements will be at the top, and the maximum elements, or I can say the largest elements, in the bottom side. So if my size becomes greater than k, so I just pop out. So we can say that in the sorting array, you have to sort all the array irrespective of the things. That element you no need to check, like the smaller element you don't need to see, but you have to traverse, you have to check it. In the case of min heap, whatever the smaller element will be at the top, you just able to pop them out very easily. So that would be the best thing while using the min heap. For starting the question, you have to declare a min heap. So the priority queue, where int comma int comma vector int vector int greater int, and my min heap name will be min h. Okay, so here I have declared a min heap. After this, you have to traverse. Where traverse? You have to traverse the nums vector and store the elements in the min heap till your size is equal to k. Okay, so if I can say for int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size I plus plus. Now your min heap dot push nums of I. Is this clear? There is a condition where min heap dot size is greater than k. Then you have to min heap dot pop. You have to delete that element. And after all the things, return min heap dot top, because the topmost element will be your largest, the kth largest element. So in this way, you're storing your elements in the min heap, where the minimum elements at the top, mostly they get pop out, and the maximum elements in the min heap. So the starting element will be your the kth largest element here. So if I run this, there is an error in this case. So what is the error? Priority queue int greater int min heap. Okay. So in this question, the error is here. Okay. So like run the code and accepted, submit, all done.